Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my presentation of English grammar. I'm Ahmed Ali from grade 7B studying Success International School, Riyadh. Today I'm going to be talking about what is noun, verb, proper noun and adjective with examples one by one. So let's get there. What is a noun? A noun is a word that functions as the name of a specific object or set of objects such as living creatures, places, actions, qualities, states of existence or ideas. However, noun is not a semantic category, so it cannot be characterized in terms of its meaning. Examples: man, woman, teacher, John, Mary, home, office, town, countryside, America. What is a verb? A verb, from the Latin verbum meaning word, is a word that in syntax conveys an action, an occurrence, or a state of being. In the usual description of English, the basic form, with or without the particle to, is the infinitive. In many languages, verbs are inflected to encode tense, aspect, mood, and voice. Examples: run, slide, jump, sleep, stand, sit, and talk. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is a noun that identifies a single entity and is used to refer to that entity, as distinguished from a common noun. Examples: London, Jupiter, Sarah, or Microsoft. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or noun phrase or describes its referent. Its semantic role is to change information given by the noun. Examples: enormous, green, slow, yellow, fun, fast, few, many, 8, and 20. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Assalamu alaikum and